Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden art, outdoor decor, and DIY crafting inspiration. In this video, we are sharing 16 stunning DIY craft ideas made from old wood branches to transform your garden decor on a budget. You will learn how simple tree branches and fallen twigs can be turned into rustic, eye-catching garden focal points. If you love natural garden projects, please like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome ideas. A rustic branch trellis adds vertical charm and sturdy support to your climbing garden vines. You can easily lash natural tree branches together with durable jute twine to build a charming geometric lattice. Position it against a boundary wall to guide blooming clematis or sweet peas gracefully upward. It brings an organic, handmade aesthetic that seamlessly blends into any lush backyard setting. Frame your garden pathway with a dramatic arch constructed entirely from sturdy weathered tree branches. Intertwining thick curved branches creates an inviting entrance that feels like a gateway to a secret garden. You can weave solar fairy lights or train climbing roses over the structure for extra magic during dusk. This easy DIY project turns fallen yard debris into an elegant focal point for your front or backyard. Brighten your garden borders with a custom lantern post crafted from a tall, character-rich tree branch. Anchor a solid branch into a decorative planter or soil, then hang glass solar lanterns from its natural side shoots. As dusk settles, the soft ambient light casts enchanting shadows across your flowers and pathways. It is a fantastic way to combine functional outdoor lighting with rugged rustic artwork in your garden. Installing an outdoor mirror framed with arranged branch twigs creates the illusion of a bigger, deeper garden space. Carefully attach small branch cuts around a weatherproof mirror to give it an earthy, forest-inspired border. Mount the mirror securely onto an exterior wall, where it can reflect vibrant foliage and colorful blooms. This clever arrangement instantly brightens shaded garden nooks while adding rich artistic texture. Invite local wildlife into your yard by assembling a delightful bird feeder using small tree branches and bark scraps. Building a log cabin-style feeding station gives feathered friends a cozy spot to feast all season long. Suspend the feeder from a tree limb or mount it onto a wooden post near your favorite outdoor seating area. Watching songbirds flock to your homemade wooden creation brings endless joy to quiet mornings. Define your flower beds cleanly using woven branch hurdles for a classic wattle-style garden border. Staking thick vertical branch pegs and weaving flexible smaller branches horizontally keeps soil neatly in place. This traditional craft technique provides a charming, organic boundary between your lawn and delicate plantings. It is a completely free, eco-friendly alternative to plastic edging that looks gorgeous year-round. Display your favorite potted herbs and flowers on a multi-tiered plant stand built from thick wood branches. Securing sturdy branch crossbeams provides stable platforms for an array of rustic terracotta pots. The natural, unpeeled bark offers a lovely textural contrast against smooth clay pots and green leaves. Place this handcrafted stand on your patio or lawn to maximize vertical growing space and style. Craft a relaxing acoustic decoration by suspending drift shells and copper bells from a weathered branch hanger. Finding a unique, twisted branch serves as the perfect solid base for your hanging wind chime elements. Hang it near a breeze-filled porch or garden corner to enjoy gentle, melodic sounds throughout the day. It brings a soothing, artisanal touch that effortlessly harmonizes with your outdoor sanctuary. Transform a simple garden entryway with a custom wooden gate constructed entirely from sturdy tree limbs. Arrange branches in a fan or sunburst pattern within a frame to make a bold artistic statement. This functional piece of garden art adds rustic elegance while securely enclosing your vegetable patch. It serves as an unforgettable entrance that greets visitors with cozy, handcrafted warmth. Support beneficial garden pollinators by building an eco-friendly insect hotel using packed wood branches and hollow twigs. Stack various sizes of branches, pine cones, and drilled wood blocks into a sturdy frame to create diverse nesting cavities. Mount your bug shelter in a quiet, sunny spot among your flower beds to encourage natural pest control. It is a rewarding DIY project that benefits local biodiversity while adding striking visual texture. Create a cozy resting spot in your backyard with a handmade garden bench constructed from sturdy tree branches. Joining smooth, thick limbs for the frame and backrest results in a durable piece of functional rustic furniture. Nestling the bench under a leafy canopy or beside a flower bed invites quiet moments of reflection. Add a couple of weather-resistant cushions to make this natural masterpiece as comfortable as it is striking. Elevate your herb garden design by building a raised spiral planter framed with vertical wood branches. Driving sturdy branch stakes closely together in a rising spiral shape creates microclimates for various cooking herbs. Fill the structure with rich soil and plant basil, thyme, and rosemary at different elevation levels. This space-saving layout combines artistic craftsmanship with highly practical backyard gardening. Turn a bare exterior wall into a gallery display by mounting a geometric wall panel made of polished branches. Fastening straight branches into crisscross or diamond patterns forms an eye-catching backdrop for climbing greenery. You can leave the wood completely raw or apply a clear outdoor sealer to showcase the natural grain. It instantly converts an empty facade into a vibrant centerpiece filled with natural beauty. Welcome guests warmly by crafting a textured branch wreath adorned with dried garden blooms and burlap ribbon. Bending pliable birch or willow branches into a tight circular base provides a sturdy foundation for decorative accents. Tuck in lavender sprigs, eucalyptus, and straw flowers to introduce delicate colors and subtle natural scents. Hang your wreath on a garden fence, gate, or shed door to celebrate the beauty of every season. Boost your vegetable yield by building a leaning branch ladder trellis for growing climbing cucumbers or tomatoes. Simply lash horizontal branch rungs to 2 long vertical side limbs using strong garden twine or rope. Lean the finished ladder against the sun-drenched garden wall to give heavy fruiting vines reliable support. It is an inexpensive, functional craft that optimizes garden space while exuding countryside charm. Add dramatic height to your flower beds with a freestanding pyramid obelisk crafted from long, slender branches. Gather 4 long main branches at the top. Tie them securely and wrap horizontal branch rings around the frame. This structure provides sturdy support for sprawling sweet peas or morning glories to climb effortlessly. If you love these branch crafts, please like, share, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more inspiration. And goodbye until our next video.